Good evening everyone. Welcome to Max. So now I am moving exercise 1.1 question number 5. So what is the question actually? Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. The same condition like previous problem, that is question number 4. There is I have taken square, but here I have taken for the cube. Okay, so here is also the first condition same. Let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer. Then I have taken for the b, there is 3. Why? Because if you take directly b is equal to 9 means we need to find out 9 different type of the solution. So time is also wasting. So only perfect square of 9 we can say 3. That's why I have taken for the directly what the value b is equal to 3. Okay. So b is equal to 3 means use Euclid's division lemma. What is the formula? So a is equal to b cube plus r. B cube plus r means remainder actually 0 less than or equal to less than b. If you consider b is equal to 3 means what will happen? So a is equal to 3 cube plus r. So 3 cube plus r means what is the value actually? Remainder less than 3. So the possible values of remainder, what is the value actually? R is equal to 0, 1 and 2, isn't it? So 1 and 2 means, so 1 by 1 we have to apply. If r is equal to 0 means what will happen? R is equal to 0 means then you can say a is equal to only 3 cube will come. Then show that cube of any positive integer. So cube on both side, what will happen? Cube on both side means, so a cube is equal to 3 cube the whole cube. So if you remove the bracket, the 3 cube means what will happen? We can say 27 cube. Then 27, how to split it actually? 9 into 3. So 9 into 3 means very simple. The condition actually 9m. So 27, how to split it actually? 9 into 3 cube. So taking m is equal to 3 cube means we can say the first condition a cube is equal to 9m. This is question number 1. Now I am moving second condition. If r is equal to 1. If r is equal to 1 means what will happen? R is equal to 1. Listen my dear. Then, so we can say a is equal to what is the value actually? 3 cube plus 1. Again cube on both side. So cube on both side means what will happen? So a cube is equal to 3 cube plus 1 the whole cube. What is the formula actually? A plus b the whole cube formula. So a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So now so a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So now one by one we need to apply. Therefore a cube is equal to, so 3 cube plus 1 the whole cube means we can say a cube means 3 cube the whole cube. Then plus 3a square b. A square means 3 into 3 cube the whole square. There is 3a square into b, only 1 is there, so no need to write. Next condition actually plus 3ab square. So 3 into a is equal to what is the value actually? 3 cube. Then into b square. B square means only 1 will come, so no need to write. Next condition actually we can write it directly, plus 1 will come because b cube means 1 is there. 1 cube means 1. Next condition, next line, a cube is equal to 3 cube. How to split it actually? We can write it 27 cube. Next condition, again listen my dear friends, 3 cube is there, isn't it? So 3 cube, 3 into 9 cube square, isn't it? Next condition, 3 into 3 we can write it only directly 9 cube plus 1. Again 27, how to split it actually? 27 actually we can write it 9 into 3. So 9 take common outside means a cube is equal to 9 take common outside. Inside what will happen? 3q cube. Next condition, there is already 9 taken outside, again 3q square. Last condition, 9 I have taken outside, so q and plus 1 will come. Now we can say taking m is equal to, what do you have to do? So taking m is equal to 3q cube, 3q square plus q means, so what is the value a cube actually? From a cube is equal to 9m plus 1. This is question number 2. Question number 2. Now the next condition, if r is equal to 3, isn't it? If r is equal to 3 means what will happen? R is equal to 3 means, so a is equal to what will happen? R is equal to 3 means definitely we can say a is equal to 3q plus 2 will come, because r is equal to, sorry my dear, r is equal to 2, isn't it? So r is equal to 2 means a is equal to 3q plus 2. Again cube on both side means what will happen? Cube on both side. So a cube is equal to 3q plus 2 the whole cube. This is also the same formula, a plus b the whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Again, so a cube is equal to, we can write it 3q the whole cube, then plus 3a square b. 3a square means 3 into 3q the whole square, then into 2, isn't it? Next condition, plus 3a square b, then 3ab square. So 3 into ab square means 3 into 4 will come. The last time actually b cube means 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 will be 8. Now so now a cube is equal to 3 cube, we can split, how to split actually? 9 into 3q cube. Next condition here, check it there. There is actually, if you remove the bracket means 9q square will come. So 9q square means plus 9 into, again 2 into 3, we can write it 6q square, isn't it? Listen my dear friends, this is if you remove the bracket 3 square. So 9 I have taken, remaining the constant 2 into 3, 6q square. Next condition, 3 into 3 cube means we can write it actually 9 into, we can write it 4q, isn't it? 4 into q, again plus 8 is there. Again 9 each and every time take common outside. 9 take outside means 3q cube, again 6q square, 4q, then plus 8 will come. The same condition, taking m is equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q means what will happen? 4q means a cube is equal to what will happen? 9m plus 8. This is called equation number 3. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, so listen my dear friends, I will write it here. So from equation 1, true, otherwise I have taken the letter, no, number, no. Equation 1, 2 and 3, we can say a cube is equal to 9m comma 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So thus from this 3 equation, what I am telling, that is the cube of positive integer either can be 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8, isn't it? So please listen my dear students, remember very simple. If you know this concept, you can attempt, okay? So please listen my dear students, if you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts, okay? Thanks to viewers, we will continue our next video. Bye bye.